As you can see, I have already withdrawn $150 today with Play to Earn games, which is one of the best ways to make money online. So, if you play this game, you will get $26. If you play another game, you will get $36. If you play third game, you will get $48, and so on. I have tried it myself, and I have shown the live withdrawal proof of this payment in this video. So give this video a big thumbs up. And let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, you can make money here by completing some simple tasks, filling surveys, and most importantly, by playing games. And on Trustpilot, this website has over 4.3 star ratings out of 5, which means this is the best and legit Play to Earn games website to make money online. So just click where it says sign up/login and simply register yourself using Google or Facebook account. Verify your email and log into your account. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now to earn money playing games, all you have to do is click on offer wall section over here. And on this page, you will find many reputed offer wall companies like AdGate Media, Lootably, Monlex, AdSend Media, and so on. The good thing is that this website is giving you up to 60% bonus till 2nd January for the occasion of Christmas. And that is the reason why all these offer wall companies are giving you 40% to 60% bonus rewards for each game you play or for each task you complete. So, just select the AdGate Media option from here. And as you can see, there are a ton of games that you can play and earn few dollars for each game you play. Such as, if you play this game, Idle Furry Fishing, you will earn 26,000 coins, and 1,000 coins are equal to $1. So, if you install and play this game, you will earn up to $26. Now, if you click on this game, you can see payment structure of this game. So first of all, you need to be the first time user of this game, which means you need to create brand new account on this game to receive the rewards. Secondly, you need to reach the different depths of the game, or the different levels of the game mentioned above, which are really easy to reach. And lastly, you can redeem your rewards to your favorite payment method. Just like this, if you play another game called Grab a Toy, you will earn 36,000 coins for that, which are equal to $36 for just playing and reaching the different levels of this game. And believe me, you can easily complete the levels of these games in just 3 to 4 days. And if you play this game Stickman Path, which is one of the most interesting game, you can earn up to 48,000 coins, which are equal to $48. In normal days, you will earn only 30,000 coins, that is $30 for playing this game. But because of the Christmas bonus rewards of up to 60%, you are getting paid $18 more than the normal days. So, sign up to this website today using the first link in the description of this video and start making money by just playing games. And by the way, the name of this website is freewards.net. You can find a link to this website in the description of this video. As you can see, Freeward has the Trustpilot ratings of over 4.3 stars, which shows that this is one of the best and legit get paid to website out there. And I will show you my live withdrawal proof of this payment from Freeward, so stay tuned until the end. Now for the step number 2. To earn the most amount of money playing games, you need to hover your mouse on offer walls again, and select the Nautic offer wall from there. As you can see, if you play this game and reach the different levels of this game, you will earn over 75,000 coins. That is, you will get over $75 for playing and completing the different levels of this game. And the best thing is that you can claim your rewards every 24 hours. So if you want, you can complete all the levels of this game in just 2 days, and can easily claim your $75 within 24 hours. Just like that, if you play this another game over here, you can earn up to $72 easily and effortlessly while playing the game and reaching to different levels of this game. And there are a lot of games available for you that you can play and earn over $35, over $50, and even up to $72 for each game you play. And just like this, there are literally unlimited number of games available in different offer wall companies like AdSend Media, where you can find different category of apps and games that you can install and earn money online. Or Torux offer wall, where you can even find games that pay you over 100,000 coins, that is over $100 for playing a simple game. So, you can explore all the offer wall companies available here, play different games you like, and earn the most amount of money while enjoying the games. Now step number 3, to increase your earnings by 10 times on Freeward. First, what you can do is log in and every day consistently on Freeward, because they give you daily bonus for logging into your account, which you can claim by clicking on this button right here, and you will be credited with your daily bonus. Another great way to maximize your earnings without actually doing any work is promos option over here. All you need to do is follow the Freeward official Instagram page, from where you will get the promo codes, which you can then submit in this box over here, and you will get a chance to spin this lucky wheel and win some coins for completely free. Other than that, you can increase your earnings by watching different videos on FreeWard. So, if you go over to videos section over here, you can see that you can watch different videos like gaming videos, comedy videos, music videos, and even movies to earn money on FreeWard. All you need to do is click on the topic that interests you the most, and it will take you to this tab, where you need to sign up yourself and start watching the videos that you like to make money with it. Another best way to 10 times your earnings on FreeWard is to go over to Survey Walls Auction and complete some simple surveys from there. As you can see, you can earn over $5 by just completing this 8-minute survey over here. And there are many survey wall companies on FreeWard that provides you with daily new surveys that you can complete and earn money online. One thing you need to keep in mind is, if you use any VPN service on FreeWard, your account will be terminated immediately. So make sure you are not using any VPN service while using this website. Now step number 4. Before I show you my live withdrawal proof, I want to introduce you to this $100 giveaway hosted by freeward.net. As you can see, FreeWard is giving away $100 Amazon gift card for celebrating Christmas Day. So, FreeWard has announced $100 giveaway contest, which will be distributed among 4 lucky winners in the form of Amazon gift cards worth $25 each. This giveaway will be live from 22nd December 2023, and the winner will be announced on 28th December 2023. To enter in this giveaway, you need to come over to freeward.net/contest. On this page, you will find all the relevant information regarding the giveaway. Here you will see your entries, which means the number of chances that you have to win this giveaway. The more entries you have, the more chance you have to win this giveaway. Then there is total entries, means the total number of entries received for this giveaway from all the members of FreeWard. So, to increase your chance to win this giveaway, you need to join the social media pages of FreeWard, and also need to join the freeward.net for extra 20 points. So, to join the social media pages of FreeWard, you need to scroll down a little bit, and you can see the 7 ways to enter in the giveaway. So, click here for one entry in the giveaway using Facebook. Click here for another one entry by visiting FreeWard on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, and on Telegram. And once you claim all the entries from here, you can then click on the first link in the description of this video and join FreeWard for extra 20 entry points in the giveaway. After that, you just need to wait for the contest day, and if you win, you will receive the email from FreeWard for the same. Now the last step is to withdraw my $150 from freeward.net. And for this, I need to go over to the withdraw option from there. As you can see, we can withdraw the money in PayPal account, in cryptocurrency wallet, or in different gift cards available here, such as Amazon gift card, Visa gift cards, Fortnite gift card, PlayStation gift card, Netflix gift card, and many more. Not only that, this is only one page. If you go to page 2, you will find some more gift cards that you can use to withdraw your points from. But I personally like PayPal, so I am going to select PayPal from here. Now on this page again, I need to select the PayPal option from here. And in this pop-up window, I need to type in the number of coins that I want to withdraw from FreeWard. So, I will just click on this max button next to it to withdraw all my coins from FreeWard. As you can see, my all coins are worth $150. Now, I just need to enter my PayPal email in this box. So let me just type in my PayPal ID. And then, I just need to click on the submit button. As you can see, I have successfully withdrawn my coins, and in few hours, I will receive an email regarding the same. So, let's wait for a few hours. So as you can see, I have received the email regarding the payment of $150 from Fode Power International, which is sent by FreeWard. Now, let me log into my PayPal account to show you the payment transaction. And you can see that I have received the payment of $150 from Fode Power International, which is sent by the freeward.net. Let me refresh this page for you, so that you know that this is not any screenshot or anything like that. As you can see again, the payment of $150.06 received from FreeWard. Once again, you will find the link to FreeWard in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.